Hello and welcome to the Moving Market Podcast. I'm JR Gondeck. It's a quick recap to last week. Big news last week was the China stimulus, multiple rounds, and there's a feeling that the Chinese government is prepared to do a lot more ahead. It created a major rotation within the markets to end the quarter. Typically, China's stimulus is heavy on buying commodities and other things to support the housing market overall. Economic news last week, the PCE, which is the Fed's preferred measure, continues to move toward the 2% target overall, so that's favorable. The personal income and spending was a little weak on Friday, so it might be something to watch for on the consumer looking ahead. As we end the third quarter today, the question will be, what happens looking this week into October trading, which historically could be fairly volatile. Will the job market data that's going to be out this week, you have the JOLTS, which is the job opening data, you have the ADP numbers, and then the overall labor market on Friday. The question in the markets will be, is good news good news? Is bad news good news? And the question will be, if the expectation is a continued weakness in the labor market, around 100,000 jobs being created. Will that be bad news because it's a slower labor market, or will it be good news because the Fed will potentially lower interest rates more aggressively ahead? And within the markets, you're going to continue to watch for the rotation in October. The China news has moved a lot into value names, commodity names, what have you. The tech stocks, which have driven the markets the last 2 years, have slowed down overall. You're seeing different leadership within the market, and we'll watch to see if that continues into October and beyond. And as we close third quarter GDP today, the expectations based on the Atlanta Fed is solidly in the 3% range. So there isn't really a lot of reason to worry about the economy. It's all about the labor market as the Fed is concerned, looking there as inflation eases. So with that, it's a quick look ahead to the week, and we'll touch base again next week. Take care.